morning everybody. It's Friday the 17th of July, the very end of the summer term 2020. If you look around, you'll see that I'm in Minthorpe Community College's main hall. Mr Gilmore and I are in college today getting ready for September, so we thought it would be a great chance to do a very short assembly with you all to say well done and thank you for all that you've done since school closed back on the 20th of March. It's unbelievable that 4 months have passed by and college is still closed to most students. And we just want to say well done and thank you to you all for your motivation, commitment and care that you've shown during this time. That's all the students, that's those who are working at home, it's the year 10s and the year 12s that are coming to college, and it's the other students who've needed to be here for their parents to go to work. It's been a strange time for us all, but because we've worked in the normal way that we work as Team Minthorpe, we've made it to the point we're at now and we're all set to have a good summer break and then look forward to the September start. I'm now going to hand over to Mr Gilmore for a little story to end the year.
Good morning everyone, it's great to be able to talk to you at the end of this long term that we've just had in various places. Mrs Merritt's just looked back at where we've just come from, but I just want to finish by looking forward. You know what we've had to go through over these last few months, missing our friends, not being able to go out, not being able to do things that we enjoy doing. But as we come into the summer, you can already start to sense a little bit of normality coming back. I just want to tell you an update really on me and my situation with the gym, okay? I've not been able to go to the gym, unfortunately, for a few months because of the lockdown, but just recently, they've started to open it up to a small amount of people. It's different. It's not the same as it used to be. We have to do it outside. We have to only have 3 or 4 people going at a time. But I tell you something, it's more normal than you think. All these changes that we're having to do are different, but at the end of the day, it's still hard work. And I think I want us to think about this throughout the summer. I want us to think about staying safe through this summer. It's got to be a time when we think about all the different things that we're going to do and how we do them. And then I also want to think about coming back in September. It will be different. It might not be as you expect it, but we're still coming back to Minthorpe. We're still coming back to do what we always do and what we do well. And we're going to do it with motivation, with commitment and with care, and we're going to do it well. We're really, really looking forward to September. As Mrs Merritt just said, we've been planning for you returning in September and we can't wait to see you. So have a great summer, have a great rest, stay safe, and we'll see you in September. Goodbye.